a flat tire on the road? Here's what you need to do. First, stay calm and pull over to the side of the road safely. Activate your hazard lights to warn other drivers. Next, set up reflective triangles or flares about 100 to 150 feet behind your truck to increase visibility. Once you're secure, check the tire. If you have the tools and know-how, you can replace it yourself. But if you're unsure or don't have the necessary equipment, it's best to call for professional help. Contact I-55 Truck and Trailer Repair at +1 870-635-4003. Our mobile repair team is ready to get you back on the road quickly and safely. Stay safe, and remember, I-55 Truck and Trailer Repair is always here to help.